Welcome back to another video. I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about this. Somebody's going to the auto show. I'm going to give you a hint, it's me. So I went in to get my car transmission fixed right off the hop. I've been having the transmission Shudder and I've been posting about it for a while, but I haven't done anything about it. So I did finally make a service appointment to go in and have it looked at. So I showed up and they told me that it was going to be a while, so I should go find something else to do. So, I met up with some other guys and we perused around the showroom and we talked about cars for a couple hours. It was pretty good actually. It was a lot of fun. And shout out to Rob, who's been in a lot of my videos for coming out, because that was awesome. Good to see him, catch up, and discuss things like ZR1s around ZR1. So anyway, back to the transmission. So the Shudder is real. It's not getting any better, of course. And apparently, and according to the service advisor, the day before I went in, Friday, February the 8th, a new service bulletin was posted. I don't understand this because it has a service bulletin number on it. I'll show you guys here in a moment. It has a service bulletin number of 16-NA/175, and it says we are to wait until special tools arrive before a repair is started. I don't understand that, because when I look up this service bulletin, it was posted in 2017 and it was flushing the transmissions end to end, basically. Nothing special and nothing that unusual. So I don't understand what the special tool is. She said it was just posted the day before and it's a new fix and I have to wait. It could be a few days, it could be a month. They don't know how long it's going to take to get the special tool in. But I am going to make a solid attempt to talk to the actual transmission guy at the dealership to get his 2 cents on it. I'm assuming I'm not going to be the only car he's done or going to do. And if this is a brand new service bulletin that nobody's heard of, I would like to know everything about it so I can share it with you guys as to what the new fix or the modified new fix or whatever is going on is. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what this is. Apparently it's new. I'll get over here and I'll show you guys on the camera. You can see that I'm being absolute with you. So you can see it there. Tool. Oh, Mike's giving me a bit of shadow there, but waiting for the new tool to arrive. I'm not really too sure. I don't know what that means, to be honest. I just don't know. I don't even know what to think about it, because I literally typed it in and boom, hit the thing, flushing the transmission, and it's not supposed to involve tools or anything abnormal. But that is an update. I am starting the process of working on it because I do want to have a lot more fun with the car this year, and I want to make sure that it's in tip-top shape before we get into it. Now I got to get an oil change. We're on the cusp of 50,000 K too. So I don't know, car runs great, and when it's in V8 mode it's as smooth as silk, but this transmission issue is quite annoying when I'm out on the highway. Set cruise control, I just want to relax, let the hours and kilometers tick away, and it just going down the road. So stay tuned for updates. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.